Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to replace a damaged KeyBank debit card. Open the website, then click Sign On. Now, sign in with your user ID and password. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. You have two options: either to verify using a one-time passcode, or through answering a security question. Click on the option you wish to select. In this video, we chose to verify by answering a security question. Once you've answered the question, or entered a passcode, click on Submit. Once you're signed in, click on your KeySmart checking account. At the upper right part of this page, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Manage Cards. Under Card Management, you will see a section for debit card. Beside your debit card, you will see a Manage Card button. Click on the Manage Card button. Once you click on Manage Card, several options will appear. Click on the option that says Replace Damaged Card. On this page, you will see some information when replacing a damaged card. To continue, click on Next. Now, review and verify your personal information shown on the screen. After verifying, select the delivery option, whether standard shipping or rush shipping. After that, click on Submit. That's how you replace a damaged KeyBank debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.